Hey, where's that? Oh no, we're in such taff. The scepter's gone. Oh no, there's a murderer in the building. Hey, there's a guy with a bow wandering around. There's an intruder in the building. Protect me. Help. I saw someone just a minute back. There's stuff been stolen. Oh, the scepter's missing. The sir is going to kill us. I'm worried. I think there was something a while back. I think there's something weird going on. Help! Save me! There's someone here. There's a guy over here. Help me! Help! Help! Don't let him get me! Help! Help! Look there. He's got a bow. Hurry! Over here! Save me! There's been an intruder! Help! Burglars! This isn't right. Oh, we'll be in taff if this isn't cleaned up. Help! Help! Don't let him get me! Someone get him! Hit me. Yeah, Taffer, just deal me another hand. May the trickster find you in the dark. I said, hit me. Another night, another long, lonely night, wandering around. It's not the work I mind so much, it's the loneliness. I wish I had someone to talk to sometimes, that's all I ask. Another night, a long, lonely night, wandering around. Oh, I'm cold. Is someone there? Who's that? Who's there? Hello? Huh? What was that noise? Ah, who made that noise? Someone there? Thought I saw something. What's that in the shadow there? What's that? Oh, what was that? Who's there? What was that? Hey, who was that? Is someone there? Hey! What was that? Hey, what's going on? Who are you? Don't hurt me. I'm harmless. Leave me alone. Help! Help! Go! Sound the alarm! Hurry! Oh well. Oh, I hate rats. Guess it was nothing. Hello? Hello? Nothing there now. Oops. I guess it was nothing. Never mind. There's no one here. Sorry I made a fuss. A body! Help! Help! Oh no! Help! 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 Murder! Over here! Assassin! Murder! There's a body over here! Peaceful, isn't it? Where is he then? I haven't seen him tonight. Drought 12 years back? That was almost bad as this. Wouldn't Newmarket love that? You'd never believe what happened today. I was buying greens, and the Deparan housekeeper just pushed by me and told the shopkeep to give her the last of the cress. That's what I thought, too. Just because you work for the nobles, you don't have cause to be putting on airs. Sir's an idiot. It's not like we'll get more until the shortages are over. I don't think the garden mint is going to make it. Even the shade doesn't help. I know. I just keep hoping the drought will end soon. The wells run so far down. Yeah, I'm still saying it. And what do you know about the Baron's romances anyway? Oh, like Felicia knows if the Baron's serious. Coming from market this morning, it was awful. There was this big mob of hammers, circled round some guy like wolves. No, I ran. I don't want them turning eyes on me. It took forever to circle round. What's wrong? It's hard, I know. Do you ever feel like there's someone watching you? Well, that too, but I mean more like Spirits. Or someone hiding, following you. The closed areas? Not a chance. I hear the dead walk there. What I heard, there's a different moon. One that takes all the light. Not me, neither. Everything okay? How's your day? Seen Cook around? You still up? Should be done soon. Stew pots, that's my worst job. See if he pays you more, then. No, not mine. What happened to young Brennan? I saw the wagon carrying him away, howling like to curl your hair. You couldn't lure me down there for any price. Help me! What's all this? This is no good. Help! Hey! Help! Look here! Damn thing went out. Guess it's cold gruel for breakfast, then. Go get a job with Ramirez, she says. He's rich and powerful, she says. Last time I listened to a woman. Odd. Where'd he go?
What happened here? He's right here! Help! Over here! He has a sword! I see him! Help! Over here!
Oh, how silly of me. Of course you'd want to hit on 20. 28? Aw, you lose. Boy, what are the odds of that happening? Of course. At this rate, I'll win all your tips for the night. Didn't quite catch that.
Huh? Someone there? Is that you, Kevel? What's that? Hey, what's that sound? Who's there? Did you say something? Who was that there? I saw something. Who? Is someone over there? I don't like this.
Stop taffing with me.
What's that? Hey, is someone in here? Who's there? You killed him. Please, don't hurt me. I surrender. I don't have any money. Help! Help! There's someone in here. Oh, ring the alarm! Get help! Oh well, too many imaginings. I don't know what that was. Who knows what it was? Glad it was nothing. Oh well, sorry. Guess it was nothing. Don't know what it was, and it's gone now. Sorry, nothing here now. Oh, all that blood. Murderers! Help! Over here! Over here! Help! He's killed someone! There's a dead guy over here. Look! Enjoy it while it lasts, friend. His fatness will be back soon to make our lives miserable again. Down in the cellar again, counting his loot. I hope he stays down there all night. I swear, I've never seen the river this low. You can nearly walk across up at Shalebridge. The nerve! Just so. Cook says the sir's been yelling at him over the dinners not being posh enough. Exactly. The sir just thinks everything should be back like it was in the fat years and won't hear of anything else. Well, better pull it out soon then. The sir won't like lots of brown plants hanging about. It can't last forever. And if it does, the sir will move to Cyric and be done with it. Remember back when you were saying the Baron'd never marry? This Felicia, he's serious about. My sister, she works for a lady who does Felicia's dresses. I saw you got back late, so you stayed and watched. I'm just worrying my Joby's never coming back. He's off fighting Blackbrook. I thought it'd be good for him, teach him discipline, but now...
Being a mother, worst thing in the world, I tell you. Best you can hope for is to die before your babes.
The sir, you mean? I think it's just the house. All the shadows, they get to you. You ever go down by, the barricades? I heard the buildings were evil spirit stone. They gobbled up who lived there. Won't catch me down that way. Sure, for now. Can't complain. Not for a while tonight. Yep, lots still to do.
Long night? I am so tired of muddy boots.
You hear? The sir said I do good work. You lose a button? I found one in the hall. One of the boss's beasties caught him in the cellar, tore off his arm. He's lucky to be alive. Please, no. Help. Look at this. Help. Oh, no. Who's done this? Help! Help! Cold again. I hate cold breakfast.
More wine, he says. More wine. I've had about enough of him and his wine. Just sits down there and counts his money, he does. Wish he'd give me some, the fat, sweaty tightwad.
He should be here. That's strange. Hey! Help! Thief! Where is it? Where'd the scepter go? Did you see the body? I just saw the intruder. He's around here somewhere. There's someone creeping about. I'm scared. There's a thief around. All sorts of stuff is missing. Somebody took the scepter. Someone's searching for something, and we'll get the tab for it. A whole room's been trashed. Have you seen someone? Help! Thief! Thief!
He's right here! Help!
I see him! Help! Over here! Over here! He has a sword! Someone get him! Help! Help! There's someone in here! Anyone! Anyone! There's a prowler through here! Help! Here! An intruder was here! Hey, what's been going on here?